Hello. This is a review of the Kenwood Continent 0.5 litre capacity water tank coffee maker. You can find this in all good hardware stores, including Argos, maybe Curry's, perhaps Tesco, and whatever else. You can find some good coffee makers. I got this off my mate Sean O'Callaghan before he went to Abu Dhabi or somewhere like that. Maybe I can't remember where the fuck he went, but he went over around Sand Country with all the Muslims in it. And if you look really close right here, mate, you got 220 to 240 volts, 50 hertz. If you want, my review of this is 1 out of 10 because it's a piece of shit, mate. Fuck you up. Fucking piece of shit. I don't want to make no comment. Fucking piece of shit, mate.